In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and format text in Lucidchart, whether you're creating flowcharts, diagrams, or brainstorming ideas. Being able to effectively format text can really enhance the clarity and aesthetic of your work. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide to mastering these skills in Lucidchart. First, begin by navigating to a blank diagram within Lucidchart. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Having a blank area to start with gives you the freedom to create your diagrams without any distractions. Once you have your blank canvas in front of you, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the standard section which houses various tools you'll use throughout your process. Now, locate the T icon within the standard section. This is your text tool and you'll want to drag this icon onto your canvas. Simply click, hold, and drag it over. This action allows you to position your text box wherever you see fit, making it a versatile element in your design process. Once you've positioned your text box, it's time to add some content. Click inside the box and type whatever text you need for your diagram or flowchart. This is the core content that will convey your message or information. Now that you have your text added, let's move on to formatting to make your message visually appealing. Start by selecting the font. Lucidchart offers a variety of font styles to choose from. Select one that best matches the tone and purpose of your document. Experimenting with different fonts can provide just the right feel for your specific project. Following that, adjust the size of the text. A larger font might work well for titles or headers, whereas a smaller size can be ideal for annotations or subnotes. Once you've nailed down the size, consider setting your text to bold. This helps important information stand out clearly, drawing attention to key points. Additionally, applying italic formatting can give a distinctive emphasis or denote special terminology. To give your text an even more striking appearance, underline it. Underlining can help highlight particular elements further, ensuring they don't go unnoticed. Let's not forget about color. Changing the color of your text can add a whole new dimension to your diagram. Feel free to play with different shades to see which complements your overall design best. Color can be powerful in conveying meaning or organizing sections visually. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment further with these options until you find what suits your needs best. Lucidchart empowers you with many tools to make your designs not just functional but visually pleasing. By exploring these formatting capabilities, you can create clear and attractive diagrams that effectively convey your ideas. So, take some time to familiarize yourself with these tools and have fun crafting your diagrams in Lucidchart.